Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Find the 16th letter to the right of 20th letter from right in the English alphabet. So, English alphabet are as follows: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So this is first letter from right, and this is 26th letter from right. So we have to find 16th letter to the right of 20th letter from right. So first, second, third, fourth, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, and 20. So this is 20th letter from right, and we have to find 16th letter to the right of this letter. So this is first letter to the right of this letter. This is second, third, fourth, fifth letter, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th letter, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, and 16th letter from the to the right of 20th letter from right is W. So answer is option A.